I have a tip for you today. I love doing piano keys on a quilt on the outside border, but sometimes I'm just like, oh, I'm tired of doing straight piano keys, but I got something else for you. Look at this border. This border gives me a definition. It defines where to put my piano keys. And I could do straight piano keys along here, but I chose to do something different. Wiggle back and forth, just a freehand wiggle, and the travel is this. So I'm coming up here, wiggling through here, and then I travel along and wiggle down, and then I travel down in the binding part and travel up or wiggle up and over and down. That way I don't have to break my thread. I can just up and down and up and down, and there's my travel path. But if I wanted to do the piano keys, I could actually do the same thing, straight line, up, but look at that. This fabric gave me the path that I could follow. And I could have put a straight line there. It would have been really awesome too. So, you know, the quilt is what you want to do with it, and it's your quilt, so go for it.